Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and in this tutorial we are going to understand about a application being developed at Leansimcorp which is going to help you find a very important parameter while you're dealing with simulation studies and stuff. The most important parameter or the most important step when you are working on simulation models and simulation projects, that is, you need to validate your simulation model. Okay, and in order to validate a simulation model, you have to do multiple theoretical calculations, find out what should be the desired throughput as per the cycle time, and then you use multiple different options via Excel. You validate your simulation model, theoretical versus simulated, right? But the biggest challenge which I was facing in Flexsim simulation and projects, and I definitely find that you all would also be facing that, is that you are not able to find out very easily. I'm talking about, okay, you can get out the statistics by using statistics collector and stuff like that. But what we are going to talk in this today's video, so we are going to have 3 videos in series, and where we are going to understand different applications of this tool which is going to help you validate your simulation model. Okay, so the first thing is, if you could look at, you are supposed to see that this red part is going to travel from Q1 to P1, that is processor 1. We are not able to find out part by part what was my transfer time for this particular part. Okay, this is a very important statistics and data which is required. So the first thing which we need to get is the duration this item has required from Q1 to processor 1, because this time or this cycle time can vary based on different parameters like your layout, the operator travel distances, the operator speed, and multiple other factors, and based on that it is going to keep on changing. So what we are going to do is, the tool which I am now going to show you is this tool, Leansimcorp automation tool, where you're going to use AI in order to do cycle time analysis in Flexsim simulation model. So you're basically going to get your model validation done. Not only validation, you can also get different statistics out of this, which is going to help you do your analysis in Excel by using a single tool. Okay, so there are multiple steps which we are supposed to require to do while we are going to use this application. The first thing, we are going to select this capture area, then maps, save map, and multiple other steps. So these are the steps you need to follow. We will look into this in our 3rd or 4th video of the series about how to use this tool, but currently we will understand about why this tool is very important and what is the application, right? So as I mentioned, the first very application, this will be the Excel output you will be getting from that tool. If you look at the first part, started at this time, ended at this time, and if you could look at, this is the dual Q1 time. So as I mentioned, I'll just hide this for now. We are going to see that later in our upcoming videos. So if you see these 2 parameters, the first very important time is that how much time this part spent on my Q1. Okay, and then from this transit time from Q1 to P1, what was my transit time for my first part, then my second, and then third, and then fourth, and that keeps on going. Okay, so this is some of the dummy thing. We will be looking this by running this application live in the video and check how it is calculating. But for now, if you are looking for such application which is going to help you find out the dwell time, that is the time this part spends on to this particular queue, and then the time required for this part to particularly transit, this is a tool which is going to help you for that. Do not forget to hit a like if you like this initiative. Do not forget to share this video with your friends who work on simulations and AI. Do not forget to subscribe to Leansimcorp for more such integration videos on AI and industrial automation and simulation. Let us meet in another interesting video where we're going to understand about how we are going to find different statistics in this Flexsim using that AI tool. Okay. So as I mentioned, the transit time, if you see for all these sequential bars, one thing is common, that the cycle, the transit time for the bars is between 1 minute. Okay. So the 1 minute is required from this to this processor. So that's the beauty of simulation. Let's see in the next video another statistics of using AI for solving simulation problems. Bye-bye.